Are you the best dog hoodies? As pet owners, keeping our furry companions comfortable, warm, and stylish is a priority, especially during colder months. Dog hoodies are not just about aesthetics. They serve the functional purpose of providing warmth and protection while allowing pets to move freely. In this review, we evaluated 5 popular dog hoodies. Product number: Jakolon Winter Dog Hoodie Sweatshirts with Pockets. The Jakolon Winter Dog Hoodie is a budget-friendly option designed for small dogs. Made from wool, it offers warmth and a classic design with a convenient pocket. Available in dark blue, this hoodie is lightweight and machine washable, making it easy to care for. However, its sizing is limited to small breeds, which may exclude medium to large dogs. During testing, this hoodie excelled in providing warmth for small breeds like Chihuahuas and Pomeranians. However, the wool material, while warm, lacks stretch, which could limit comfort for more active dogs. The pocket is a nice touch for aesthetics, but offers little functionality. Overall, this product is best suited for casual. Product number: Piate Blue Chihuahua Dog Hoodie. Keep your pup warm. The Piate Blue Chihuahua Dog Hoodie stands out with its stylish, the dog face print, adding a trendy touch to your pet's wardrobe. Made from polyester, it is lightweight and easy to clean. Designed for small dogs, it features a leash hole for convenience and is suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to photo shoots. In our tests, the hoodie provided adequate warmth for cool summer nights and mild winters, but it may not be sufficient for harsher climates. The polyester material is soft, but not as breathable as cotton or fleece. While the leash hole is a practical addition, the overall fit may feel snug for some dogs, especially those with broader chests. Product number: Green Joy Dog Sweater. Dog Hoodie Cold Weather Dog Coat Hooded Sweatshirt for Puppies. The Green Joy Dog Sweater Hoodie is a versatile option made from 100% polyester. It features a stylish sports design with "I Love My Dad" printed on the back. Available in multiple sizes, it caters to a wide range of breeds and is machine washable for easy maintenance. This hoodie performed well in both indoor and outdoor settings, offering sufficient warmth for autumn and winter. The polyester material is durable and suitable for dogs with sensitive skin. However, the fit may feel loose for smaller breeds, and the design, while unique, may not appeal to all pet owners. Overall, it is a solid mid-range choice for pet parents seeking style and function. Product number: 100% Organic Cotton Rocky. The comfy dog hoodie pet coat for small pet passion. Rocky hoodie is an eco-conscious option crafted from 100% organic cotton. Certified by GOTS, it is soft, breathable, and suitable for all seasons. The hoodie features a leash opening and comes in sustainable packaging, making it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious pet owners. This hoodie impressed us with its comfort and fit, particularly for medium-sized dogs. The organic cotton material is both soft and durable, making it a great choice for active pets. However, the higher price point and limited color options may deter some buyers. Its eco-friendly credentials and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for those who prioritize sustainability. Product 5. Camo Dog Hoodie Dog Clothes. Extra Warm Fleece. The Wolf Trails Camo Dog Hoodie is a premium option designed for small to large dogs. Made from a blend of polyester and spandex, it offers a stretchy fit and is lined with fleece for extra warmth. The camouflage design with shark teeth graphics adds a bold, adventurous look. This hoodie excelled in performance, providing exceptional warmth and comfort for outdoor activities. The adjustable drawstrings and ribbed cuffs ensure a secure fit even for active dogs. While the price is higher, the quality and unique design justify the cost. It is ideal for pet parents looking for a durable and stylish hoodie for their adventurous pups.